person with luggage is a special needs customer?
True.
Special needs passengers should not be allowed in public transport.
False.
A special needs person who needs help may not ask for it because of self-respect or pride.
True.
Drivers must be able to view difficult situations from customers' point of view.
True.
We should ask a special needs person whether he wants help.
To avoid discomfort to the customer.
People with disabilities want to be respected and have the same opportunities as people without disabilities.
True.
How do you identify special needs passengers?
Look for cues or clues.
The driver's attitude affects the customer's mood and plays a great role in customer service too.
True.
It is safe to slow down and move little right when oncoming vehicle lights are high beam.
True.
Driver should use mirrors frequently and check blind spot before changing lanes.
True.
What is the new name mentioned by UAE government for special needs customers?
People of determination.
What is the new name for special needs customers in UAE?
People of determination.
Which of the following can be categorized as customer with speech hearing disability?
Person who turns into sign language.
Which of the following can be categorized as special needs customer?
Person with hearing disability.
Which of the following describes a blind customer?
Person with a guide dog and cane.
Why is it important to determine how to provide assistance before helping?
All of the reasons mentioned here.
What is a cue or clue in identifying special needs customers?
Any obvious behavior which suggests need for help.
Which of the following does not come under special needs category?
A lady traveling alone.
Which of the following is considered as a special needs person?
Stranger to Dubai.
Anticipating other drivers' actions is important in safe driving.
True.
Harsh driving is harmful to the environment.
True.
Harsh driving is safe and good for the environment.
False.
If a customer does not understand you, repeat the information in louder voice.
False.
How should a driver serve special needs customers?
Identify specific needs and ask permission before helping.
Tourists, strangers, lost persons include in which category?
Less obvious special needs customers.
Blind person, pregnant lady, senior citizen include in which category?
Obvious special needs customers.
How do we identify obvious special needs customers?
They may have some visible behavior that attracts attention.
Who are special needs customers?
Person who may need some help if delivered appropriately.
Less obvious special needs customers include
Tourists.
the two types of special needs customers are
Obvious and less obvious.
you should always treat injured person. True or false?
False.
Scanning will help driver to anticipate potential hazards.
False.
Driver should avoid driving if he/she is tired.
True.
You can search by latitude and longitude in heat map.
False.
Customers can be calmed down with a positive reaction and response.
True.
Customer would not accept an excuse in case of a complaint.
True.
When a driver hears a ridiculous complaint, he has to
Listen and try answering in a positive way.
Which type of questions are used to confirm information what the customer has provided?
Clarifying questions.
Which type of questions are used to check that you have understood what the customer has just said?
Reflective questions.
How driver can impress, influence the customer?
By giving added value and information.
What type of question usually gives a short answer?
Closed question.
If a customer smokes inside the cab, you should
Politely tell the passenger that smoking is not allowed in the cab.
How does a customer know that the driver is going to stop to pick them?
By eye contact and body language.
Driver can find solution to customers' problems only by
Understanding what the customer wants.
thinking of another question or topic can be
Barrier to listening.
Level 3 listening includes listening for
Emotions and mood of the speaker.
in automatic listening, our attention is
On what it means to us.
in focused listening, our attention is
Completely on the other person.
empathic listening is also known as
Focused listening.
types of listening are
Active and automatic listening.
how should you keep your taxi smelling fresh?
Well maintained and without bad smell.
If a customer asks where to report the complaint, you should
Ask the customer to call the customer service in your company and give them the number.
What should you do before the customer leaves the taxi?
Ask to check their belongings.
Attention completely on the other person relates to which type of listening?
Focused listening. When you handle a difficult situation, your focusing point is
aim at the problem or situation, not the person. When a customer starts shouting at you, which of the following helps you to prevent a difficult situation from becoming worse?
Listening to the customer's point of view and understanding them.
Which of the following is a correct way to handle a difficult situation?
listen to customer, show empathy, the outcome is in your hands.
When a customer complains to you,
Report the complaint to the management.
when a customer complains, you should listen to the full complaint and show interest. What kind of response do customers expect when they complain?
To take their complaints seriously and find solutions.
When a driver gets many complaints, it means
Loss in business.
when a customer complains, what you should do.
Be attentive and show interest.
Which is the most effective way of communication?
Body language.
What is personal hygiene?
Keeping yourself clean and smelling fresh.
What kind of behavior shows good customer service?
Politeness and humility.
How can you show a positive image?
Smiling.
If the driver is rude to the customer, what is the consequence?
Customer will avoid the trip with the driver.
At which situation can a driver prepare to give balance money to the customer?
Only at drop-off point.
How should a driver handle a difficult situation?
Listen to your customer and show empathy.
Choose from below an example of risk and consequence of complaints.
Argument with passenger.
What is empathy?
Putting yourself in customer's place to feel what they want as outcome.
Choose from below an example of barriers of listening.
Trying to be helpful.
Choose from below an example of active listening.
Showing interest.